Chapter 6, Joyful Revelation, Infusing Copy with the Power of Happiness. Ahoy, copywriting captains! In this buoyant chapter, we're setting sail on the high seas of happiness, where the sun always shines, and every word sparkles with joy. Get ready to bask in the warm glow of positivity as we explore how to infuse our copy with the transformative power of happiness. Now, you might be wondering, what does happiness have to do with copywriting? Well, my friends, the answer is everything. Happiness is more than just an emotion, it's a state of mind, a beacon of hope that lights the way for our audience on their journey to fulfillment. But let's not mistake happiness for frivolity. No, happiness is a powerful force that can move mountains and melt even the coldest hearts. When we infuse our copy with happiness, we're not just selling a product or service, we're selling a better, brighter future. So how do we harness the power of happiness in our copywriting? It all starts with understanding what brings joy to our audience. Whether it's solving a problem, fulfilling a desire, or simply brightening their day, our job as copywriters is to tap into those sources of happiness and amplify them with our words. But happiness isn't just about what we say, it's also about how we say it. We must imbue our copy with a sense of positivity and optimism, using uplifting language and cheerful imagery to create a sense of joy and possibility. And let's not forget the power of storytelling, the secret weapon in every copywriter's arsenal. By weaving tales of triumph and transformation, we can transport our audience to a world where anything is possible, and happiness reigns supreme. But remember, my fellow seafarers, with great power comes great responsibility. We must always act with integrity and authenticity, ensuring that our happiness-infused copy reflects the true value and benefits of our offerings. So let us set sail on this joyous voyage together, my friends, and spread happiness far and wide with every word we write. Together, we'll illuminate the world with the radiant glow of positivity and chart a course toward copywriting greatness. Are you ready to infuse your copy with the power of happiness and leave a trail of smiles in your wake? Then let's hoist the anchor and embark on this joyful adventure together.